Melia Hotel has here a premium level. It's called level, not surprisingly. But recently some guests were complaining about the level of services, and it's clear why we have those kind of problems right now, because during the COVID lockdown, all employees were fired. Now the hotels need to hire new people, and they need to start operation and their education again from scratch. Basically, in Melia resorts you have some levels. It's level, reserve, Grand Melia Hotel Resorts, Inside by Melia, Circle by Melia, Melia Rewards. So basically all those kind of stuff are operational right now, but you know, it's all Melia, and it depends on kind of levels. Before taking anything, just evaluate what you really want, and if you want to pay for upgrade, make sure that you want to have this type of upgrade. Melia is also famous for well-being 360 and adults only areas. They have like 5 adults only areas currently in Bávaro Punta Cana. In Bávaro Punta Cana, Melia has 4 pools, 2 gyms, 7 bars, and 6 restaurants. As you can see, a lot of their reviews are not that perfect as before. Still, they are working on improvements and making services better and better. They have a lot of experience how to deliver the best services, and they will recover. Melia has a lot of exotic gardens, and you can see a lot of birds and turtles, and you can really enjoy yourself just walking around the Melia. It's beautiful. What's really special about Melia Hotel and Resorts, it's kids water park. It's amazing. You should definitely go there with your kids. It's kids club with water park. Melia's lobbies, it's something special. You just can lay down and enjoy yourself, have some great time, sipping your cocktails, or doing something else like reading books or just chatting with your friends. What's really amazing about Melia, you can go to the different areas of Bávaro Beach. And yes, it is different in terms of color of the water, in terms of algae. Yeah, we have the season of algae, but they are really working hard to get the algae outside of the beach, and they are cleaning, and they're working really hard. And now we have the beach clean. From what I see, Melia is currently cleaning and recovering everything. During the COVID, they were working hard to recover the infrastructure, to maintain it, and to make sure it's going to be ready for the future tourists. This is why I strongly recommend you to go to test the services. And yes, I really believe that Melia, one of the best options in Bávaro Beach and one of the best options in the Dominican Republic. Among other all-inclusive, high-level, high-service hotels. You can enjoy your vacation, you can have fun, you can enjoy the pools, the ocean, and yourself, your family and friends. Welcome to the Dominican Republic, welcome to Punta Cana, welcome to Melia.